This is taking you through the first stretching exercise. Slowly bring your arms over your head. Please do this as I talk you through it. Twine your fingers together. Push them up to the ceiling. Now with your arms over your head, stretch slowly to your right as far as you can and as far as comfortable. Bounce a few times on that side. Slowly back to the top and now to your left. Bounce a few times on that side and back up. Climb a ladder over your head. And now slowly bring your arms down to your side. And breathe out as you do so. Be sure to keep breathing through this. Let's do that one more time. So we're going to slowly bring our arms up over our head, feeling the lengthening in the thorax. Twine your fingers together. Push up. Bounce a bit to your right. 3, maybe 4 times. There we go. Back to the middle. Bounce to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4 with a little extra stretch. Back up to the top. Climb a ladder over your head. We call this the Mr. Rodgers exercise because I got this from him. And then slowly bring your arms down, feeling your shoulders drop as you do so, and your head floating toward the ceiling. You can repeat that as many times as you like. Now we're going to do what we might call the neck stretch. So I'm going to do this with you and talk you through it. So take your right hand, put it over your left ear, and now lean toward your right, feeling the stretch in the left part of your neck. Feel a weight in your left arm like you're carrying a briefcase and let that go down to the floor. Hold this for a few seconds. Start to feel the release. Keep holding, keep holding. Now slowly let your right hand come down to your side and your head straighten out. Check and be sure your shoulders are loose, perhaps by rolling them. That your neck is loose. Roll your head slightly with your chin toward the floor, then to one side, then to the other. Don't point your chin up toward the ceiling. So once again, just rolling a little bit. Now let's do the other side. So now this is your left hand over your right ear, going toward your left, feeling the stretch in the right part of your neck, and your arm hanging down, your right arm as though you're holding a weight. Just feel the stretch. Hold that for several seconds. Keep holding it. And when you feel ready, just let that go. Maybe now. Let your arm come down slowly to your side. Check again to be sure that your neck and shoulders are nice and loose. Just let your arms hang like a rag doll. Now let's do the bending from the waist exercise. I'll talk you through this, and I like to count through this. So we're going to take 8 counts to go over from the waist. We'll stay down there for 8 counts, shaking out our head and arms. Then we'll take 8 counts to come back up, stacking the vertebrae, 8 counts to bring the arms up, 8 counts to bring the arms down. You might want to watch me do this once with the counting, and then I'll do it a second time for you to do along. So here it is the first time, just so you see how that works. So 8 counts to go over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm bending my knees now. I'm down here for 8 counts. 2, just hanging out loose. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly standing up, stacking the vertebrae. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One movement, your arms come up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stay there briefly, and now 8 counts to come down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Now, again, just check and be sure that your neck and shoulders are released. Miriam and I did that slightly differently. Doesn't really matter. I kind of do a sun greeting and bring my arms up in front of me. She did them out to the side. Either way is fine. Really, what we're just trying to do is open up that thorax. Okay, so now that you've observed it, you can do it with us. And again, I'll talk you through it as you do it. So here we are, bending over from the waist, 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now shake out your head and your arms like a rag doll. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll back up through your spine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brings your arms up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now bring them down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel free to add stretches of your own, always paying attention to the fact that you want to open the thorax, have the shoulders released and down, and no tension in the neck or jaw. All of those will work.